On this episode of Burton Builds, I'm going to try not to get too wet. Yeah! Woo! Phew, nearly hit the car. Yes! Yeah! Just waiting for the car. Just waiting for the other car. So welcome back to another episode of Burton Builds. Today's location is slightly different. We're not in the garage. We're actually just outside in the backyard. Today we're actually looking at not building something, but something that we built yesterday, and that's the bottle rocket launcher. I don't know if you can see it. It's slightly wet. We've done one test flight, and it's gone pretty well. But before we actually go and have a look at exactly how it works, let me tell you a little bit about it. Here's the bottle. The rocket part of the build was not really much of a build. It's just a 2-liter bottle. What I did end up doing is putting these little fins kind of on the bottle, and I mounted them at a 45-degree angle so that when the bottle goes up, as it goes up, it spins. It seems like we get quite a bit better trajectory with that. It goes kind of straight up. When the fins weren't on here, the bottle just tumbled. So yeah, it goes straight up, and it also goes a lot higher. But that's enough about the bottle. It wasn't really about that. The main thing was the bottle rocket launcher itself. I was thinking, what can I do to this launcher to make it be really fast, make the rockets go really high? And I was puzzled over this. I was thinking about, maybe the seal. Should I put a third seal on? Should I pump it up to 6 or 8 bars rather? Should I make a bigger tank on the bottom? And then it dawned on me, just paint it red. Anything red always goes faster. The launcher is now red, except for the tube part, that's black. Yeah, what do you think? I think the paint job came out quite well. There is one small thing that I should have done before shooting this video. I should have actually pressure tested it. So what's happened is, geez, I can't even get it loose now. But where our standpipe joins onto the base, I didn't actually glue that properly, so now there's a little bit of a leak. It still holds pressure, but you can't pump it up and leave it. You've got to pump it up and let it go straight away. But that aside, it'll still work for today's video. So I think what we're going to try and do is we're going to start at a low pressure. We're going to start at 2 bars, then we're going to go to 4 bars, and then we're going to go to 6 bars. And maybe we'll end off at 8 bars, and each time we'll just, I don't know, see how hard it goes, or what breaks really. So let's get started. This first test is going to be a 2-bar test. I've got about that much water in. I just know from previous experience that if you fill it up too much, it doesn't go as high. So that's quite a good amount. Let's give it a go. Two-bar test. Take 1. 3, 2, 1. It's quite an accurate landing, I would say. I wasn't expecting it to land so close to the launcher, but it wasn't that impressive. I think we need a higher pressure. Okay, 4-bar test. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. better result, a lot higher, and it hit my roof. The rocket is still in one piece. These things are pretty strong, that's why the 2-litre bottles work really nicely. Okay, 6-bar test. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yes! Yeah! Almost caught it. One more. Okay, 7 bars. I can't go any more. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that's it really. Here's our bottle and our launcher. So I would say overall it was quite a good little project to build. I hope you guys had fun. I definitely had fun. I think we've got to go, not back to the drawing board, but we've just got to go back and seal this little leak, and then I think we might be able to get back to going to a slightly higher pressure. We're going to try 8 bars, but that's next time. So thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. It just keeps me going with all these videos, and if you have any comments, put them in the comment section below. I like to always hear from you guys. Otherwise, until next time, cheers. So for those of you that have watched all the way to the end, I thought this would be quite cool. I don't exactly have all the equipment that I need, but check this out. That's my GoPro hiding behind my sunglasses. It was a little bit bright outside, so, and I don't exactly have an ND filter, so I had to make a plan, but it worked really well. So see you next time, guys. Cheers.